to my channel. Hello, welcome to my channel. So I'm going to teach you how to bake an ube cake. So as you can see, we put flour and then another flour and I'm going to put some white sugar and baking powder and some, what is that? Salt. Okay, that's salt. Then I'm going to sieve it all. Then you throw those ways and mix. Then pour some milk. I only have about, so I use that, and some egg yolks. Then we're going to add some oil and mix it all together. Mix. And ube flavoring now. So yeah. Okay. It looks so dark. And that's it. Mix again. Then if you have some ube halaya, you may use that. I think you really need to use that. And mix. After that you will have mussels. By mixing. Mix. Now, set aside, we're going to do the meringue. So put the 4 egg whites, cream tartar, and whisk. Beat it up, baby. And yeah, gradually you need to add some sugar, white sugar, so it will be white. Beat it until it will be in the consistency of this that you can see the picture nicely clear. Ta-da! Yeah, that's how it goes. Okay. Now we're going to again mix, have that muscles working. That is really good. And we're going to mix and fold. So mix and fold. Mix and fold. Ayan. So, hanggang mawala lahat ng white, ng egg white. So, just mix and fold. Fold. Yeah, that's what you do. I don't know if you're going to do it. Yeah, finish everything all. Yeah, that's good, baby. After that, just continue until there's no more traces of white. Okay, we need to prepare the pan. Had some parchment papers there, and I sprayed some oil and then cut those parchment paper and wax paper, and then pour equally, or depende na yun sa'yo. Okay, just fill it however you want it. Good job. Yeah, pakpak mo para mawala mga spiritu. Yeah, so we preheated the oven 340 to 355, and then after that I just put some water there, and then now we prepare the frosting cream. It was frozen, so I defrosted it over the microwave, and added some 2 cups of heavy whipped cream and some vanilla. So now we have the cream cheese, whipped cream, and vanilla. And I'm going to add a little white sugar, 3/4 of it. So since I don't have a cup of 3/4, I use the equivalent to 12 tablespoons. And put it there. Yes. It's so good, really very nice, really so good. Then now now it's time to design your cake, since it's your cake, however you place it. So I just use some Ziploc, just after frosting. Yeah, it's yummy. So what's the verdict for this one? Yeah, this